Okay, we got it all rounded down now. This is all rounded down, sanded down. So our next step, what we want to do is we have to cut part of this off back in here. So we're going to put this in here.
Here's something else that Pat would like to add. I need for you to talk about it. Just, I love that story about why you call Gallagher the watermelon seed.
So we have to cut this part off in here so we get a good fit inside the mouth.
Would he have been the last guy in your list, do you think?
And Gallagher? Yes. Yikes.
I bet not the last. But he has to be
down there. Yeah, he's not in the
I can help you with that. The last.
Cut that part off there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Say we got it all sanded down now. So we also have to cut the back of the head part so it will fit in here after we glued our neck pieces on. This makes this too long.
Paul Stanley, 71 today, by the way. Man, he's really in good shape for 71.
You know, he had his ear torn off by a beaver, and he got a lot of teasing from high school. Is that true? He had his book? No, I saw some.
So we'll mark that so we can cut this piece off.
Big damn deal about this crisis that he had to go through missing the outer ear, and that's why he wears his hair long. We have, we'll get to that coming up later on. Right now, Christy Lee is at the news desk. We were talking about a new place where you can smoke the reefer legally, and I was wondering if there was a travel agency that specialized in this sort of thing, and of course there is the little home.
If you have any questions, please submit them on my YouTube page in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
Okay.
It is not legal because they're under federal jurisdiction. Here's Virgin Islands legalized recreational and Sacramento.
Okay, so we got to cut these two pieces off. Then we should be able to fit into our neck. Thanks for watching.